Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'm going to show you how to reset Steam achievements for a game. I'm going to reset my new friend achievement in Stardew Valley as an example. First, open your web browser and go to the steamdb.info website. Then, type the game you want to reset your achievement for into the search bar on the website and open the game's page. Scroll down the game page and open the Achievements tab from the menu on the left. Then find the achievement you want to reset and copy its ID. The next step is to keep this website open and type run into the Windows search bar and execute it. Then, type steam:/open/console into the run command and click the OK button. You can now use Steam console. The next step is to type achievement_clear into the Steam console and return to the SteamDB website. Scroll to the top of the Open Game page and copy the app ID. Then open the Steam console again, and after achievement_clear leave a space and paste the app ID. Then copy the achievement ID I showed at the beginning of the video and paste it after the app ID. Finally, press enter. The successful message appeared. Let's go check it right away. When you check your game achievements page, you'll see that achievement hasn't been earned yet. If you want to reset all achievements in a Steam game, I'll show you how to do that quickly. First of all, as you can see, I've earned 9 achievements in Raft. Now let's reset them all at once. The first step is to go to the SteamDB website and search for the name of the game for which you want to reset achievements, then open the game's page. Then copy the app ID. Then open Steam console again. Then type reset_all_stats into the console, followed by a space, and finally paste the app ID. Finally, press enter. Let's go and check it right away. As you can see, all my achievements are gone. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to reset Steam achievements for a game was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.